Hello little artist, I'm Mariana Olsen and today we're drawing a folding surprise picture. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. I'm gonna start folding the paper in half. Then we're gonna take the bottom part and fold in half again. Now we're gonna flip it over and fold one more time. And then we're gonna open it. You're gonna flip it and we're gonna start drawing right here. Okay, little artists, we're gonna start with this picture for Easter. I hope you like this lesson and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. Let's start with the paper closed like this and we're gonna do the cloud that is in the outside. We're gonna start going here in the center, doing big curves that go to the right. And as we get closer to the folding part, we're gonna go these curves smaller. Let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Now we're gonna cross the folding part and we're gonna do one more curve here. And we're gonna continue doing curves. And now we're gonna do the bigger ones in the middle. And now let's continue going up with smaller curves. I'm just gonna leave this like this. Now let's open the paper. And we're gonna start on the bottom. We're gonna cross the folding part and do a curve, one more, and these are the big ones, and now we're going down. Before we finish the top part, we're gonna start with Jesus down here. We're gonna do a square and it's gonna go down, and now we're gonna go to the right, over the cloud, and up again. We're leaving a space right here. Now let's do the face, and it's gonna be a big letter U that crosses the folding part, going from the left to the right and going up again. Here we're gonna connect my body to the head. Now let's do the hair. So we're gonna go in the middle and a little bit to the right. We're gonna put a little dot. It's about 2 finger space between the folding part and the dot. Now we're gonna go down and curving like this. We're gonna pass the line of the face. We're gonna go down, curving and connecting with the line. From here, we're gonna do the ears. We're gonna do 1 and 2 curves. And now let's do the arms. We're gonna go from this corner down and doing a square. Now from this, going down the same. For the hands, we're gonna just do 2 curves right here. One for the thumb and one for the hand. Underneath here, we're gonna do 2 lines for the legs. And in the middle, he has a piece of fabric that go across, just like this. Now that we have the body, we can finish the hair. We're gonna go from this point up a little and we're gonna put the dot about a finger space between the folding part and the dot. Now we're gonna go down. We're gonna curve, passing the ear, and now we're gonna start doing curves up and down. Just like this. Now let's go the same thing here, going down. We're gonna pass the ear, we're gonna start curving here. Next, we're gonna do the beard, and we're gonna do a half a circle inside, just like this. We're gonna do an oval shape inside. And inside the oval shape, we're gonna put a smile. Let's continue with the eyes and we're gonna do 2 oval shapes. We're gonna start here over the folding part, doing 1 and here 2. And we're gonna put 2 little circles, one on the top and a little one underneath. One on the top and one underneath. And we're gonna fill with black around these 2. The last thing we're gonna do here is 2 eyebrows, and I'm gonna go under the hair doing rectangle shapes. And this one, for example, is just showing a little bit and it's going under the hair. Let's finish the cloud that is on the top, and I'm just gonna do the curves. If your character is too close to the folding part, you can pass the clouds or the curves behind his head. And now we're gonna make it look more like the sky by doing more clouds. So here I'm gonna do another one. And in behind his head, I'm gonna do the last cloud. Remember that they can have different shapes. And the very last thing I almost forget, we're gonna do a tiny nose here on top of the beard with a curved shape. And there, that's it. We finished Jesus when he rises to heaven. Now let's see how it looks when we close it. And this is how it looks when we open. I hope you like this lesson, and now my favorite part is coming. Let's color! Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my pictures turn out. In here, I add a ray of light that comes from the top to the bottom. Now let's take a look inside, and this is how it looks. Here is Jesus when he's rising to heaven, and the ray of light goes in behind him, and it goes bigger on the bottom. You can add more details to this picture. You can put some blue for the sky or add a message. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!